Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. When people usually talk about YouTube, it's normally talking about all the bad parts of YouTube, whether it's an algorithm change, demonetization, censorship, or many countless other reasons. And a lot of those reasons are valid. But today, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 best things about YouTube in 2019. Starting with the first and most important thing is traffic. Now, a lot of people might not think about this, especially if they're comparing video platforms. A lot of times people focus on all the technical features, the freedom that they get on other platforms, or even maybe they might make more money on other video platforms. But at the end of the day, there is not a single video website that gets more traffic than YouTube. When people think about YouTube, they think about video for the whole internet in general. And so YouTube brings in millions of hours and billions of hours of views regularly. And that's something that no other video platform to this day has been able to do. And so if you actually want your videos to be seen, YouTube is still where it's at. So number 2 is YouTube, in my opinion, is the best place to learn of any internet platform, period. Just think about all the reasons why you go to YouTube. And for a lot of people, they're going there because they want to learn something, or they have a problem they want to solve. And even if it's just entertainment, they are actually getting something out of it. But I think for somebody like myself who loves to learn, I would say 90% of all the new things that I've learned have been from YouTube. And the other 10% has mostly been from books and other internet websites. And so that's absolutely huge. And another big benefit of YouTube as a learning platform is a lot of the teachers who are teaching you on YouTube are normal people like myself and like you as a creator. And so I really feel that YouTube is the best place to learn. And in the future, it might be the place to go for when you actually want to get a degree, an online degree. You might actually go to YouTube instead of any other place, which might sound weird, but I think that's where it's heading. And so the third best thing about YouTube is the fact that it's free. It's still incredible to me that they're able to provide all these services and not charge you a single penny. Now, people might complain about ads, but at the same time, if you actually price things out, if you actually were to try to do this yourself, go to a hosting provider, get a website, and then most importantly, pay for the server space and all the processing power to handle all this traffic, it could be well into thousands or millions of dollars per month, depending on how large your channel is. And on YouTube, you get like unlimited storage, the traffic, all the CPU stuff, all taken care of, all the security, all of that is taken care of. And so if you ever have built a website, you understand that it is extremely crazy that YouTube is providing all of this for free, at least at this point. So those are the top 3 best things about YouTube in 2019. My prediction for the future is that YouTube is no longer going to be a free platform. Like many other platforms on the internet, they're going towards a paid model. So, we have YouTube Red, but in the future, you might have to pay just to use YouTube. So if you had any thoughts on this, whether you agree or disagree, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you had your own top 3 or top 5 things that you like about YouTube, I would like to know that in the comments area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.